We're gonna show you the waterfall. It's very cold, very windy. Like that. There. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. It's okay. Actually pretty warm. Gloves on. Look. Okay. Got our hiking shoes on. Right. The vlog. Okay, look at that. That's what we just came down. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow. Look how cool. Really cool. We're mountain goats. So cool.
Wow, that's cool.
Like, that's pretty dope. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're down here. Do you want to go all the way over? I think so. We're having fun. Look at this terrain. Look above us. It's crazy. It's really cool. Huh?
You want to go stand under it?
You want to go swimming? You can see all the rocks. Do you think we're gonna have an avalanche? I got a little freaked out saying that, but we're okay. That is so cool. Okay. Review the waterfall. Ready?
It was amazing.
Karen, how was the waterfall?
It was fun.
Jordan, what do you think about the waterfall?
Ooh, beautiful, refreshing.
10 out of 10. Peter, how was the waterfall?
Vikings. And that's
And Gabe, how was the waterfall? Give us a review. PW or not PW? I keep calling him PW. This is PB. Go, Peter. Say go, Dad, go. Go, Dad, go. Tyler, you have to make him do it.
Come on, go.
So we're whale watching right now. We're on the boat, and we just took some motion sickness pills because we're moving. It's not moving, and Karen's here, and Karen didn't take any motion sickness pills,
I don't need any medicine.
and she said she's fine. So guess we'll.
You fall in the water, you put your knees up to your chest and hold on tight.
We don't really know why, because then you might just fall to the bottom, but good luck.
Pretty good right now, better than the idea.
Oh,
Hopefully lots of food.
There it goes, there it goes, there it goes! Yay! Oh.
Go on under the surface.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it! Wow! Easy.
Don't lift it as high as others. So.
Do it, do it, do it, do it! Yeah! Yeah.
Dolphins flying right where the whale is.
One more time.
And there we go.